know, it's like, I'm not getting by that thing. Very good.
Wow. Want to feed him another one? Whoa. You got it? Oh, the carrots are going to be gone.
Thank you, all done.
Noah, you
What's over there, Noah?
Look, Noah. Want to feed him that one?
Man, I know some of your great uncles that would be pretty jealous right now. And I think your grandpa too.
I'm afraid to pick up the cracker.
Big sheep.
I mean, if he's